Hello, you're welcome to this class. It's just a very short class that I'll be taking you on understanding how to, understand your tape measure, okay? So the readings on your tape measure, I'm taking you on how to understand the readings on your tape measure. So now the tape measure, I'll be taking you through is in inches, right? So an inch is made up of 8 strokes. So you can see these tiny strokes on the tape rule. It's just a fraction of a whole number. So this is our whole numbers in the long lines. 1, we have 2, we have 3, and on. So in a whole number, we have eight strokes, okay? And this is it here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 makes the whole number, right? So each stroke is a fraction of the number. We have 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8, which is a whole number. So if I tell you to give me a quarter of an inch, that's an inch into 4 places. So we know that we have 8 strokes in an inch, right? So if you're going to do a quarter, that means 8 strokes divided by 4 is going to give us 2 strokes. So we know that a quarter is going to be 2 strokes. If I tell you half of an inch, because an inch is made up of 8 strokes, we know that half of 8 strokes is 4, which is going to give us half. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our half of an inch. So now if I tell you to give me 3/4 of an inch, just as the name has the name implies, 3/4, that means a quarter in 3 places. And we know that a quarter is 2 strokes. So we're going to have 2 strokes in 3 places, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be 6 strokes. That's 6/8. So 3/4 is still the same thing as 6/8. If you can remember your mathematics, clearly from, primary school or secondary school, you know that when you further break 6/8 into a smaller fraction, it gives you 3/4, okay? So that's just all about the tape measure readings. So this one is just 1/8, 2/8. This is 3/8, 3 strokes, 4/8, 4 strokes, 5/8, 5 strokes, 6/8, 6 strokes, 7/8, 7 strokes. 8/8 is 1. So if I tell you give me 5 7/8, you go all to your whole number, which is 5 here, and then we count 7 strokes. That's 5 7/8. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This here is 5 7/8. If I tell you give me 5.5, this is 5 whole number. Then half. Our half is just 4 strokes, because half of 8 strokes is 4. So we have 5.5, which is 5 and then 4 strokes after the 5. So if I tell you to give me 4.25, I go on to 4 whole number, and a quarter is 2 strokes, 1 and 2. Okay, so if I say, okay, give me 4 3/8, I know 4 whole number, then 3 strokes after the 4, 1, 2, 3. So that's just all about the tape measure. It's so easy, okay? Just sit down and then practice more and try to understand it, okay? I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.